Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel VK Wikipedia. Please subscribe my channel and do follow my Instagram page VK Quote, link in below. Click the bell icon to get more interesting videos. Now I am going to tell you why Virat Kohli is going down to leave captain. Virat Kohli announced on Sunday that he will step down as Royal Challengers Bangalore (RCB) captain after the ongoing season of the Indian Premier League.
I had an announcement to make, spoken to the squad this evening before the second leg of the tournament starts, to inform everyone that this is going to be my last leg in the IPL as captain of RCB. Spoke to the management this evening, something that was on my mind for a while, as I recently announced stepping down from T20 captaincy as well to manage my workload.
Not won the Indian Premier League (IPL) since the inception of the tournament back in 2008. It's been the same old story for Royal Challengers Bangalore and their fans over the years. Despite adding fresh faces to their squad during the auctions to try and rectify past mistakes, they've failed to get their hands on their elusive title. Last season, RCB, after finishing fourth, crashed out of the tournament in the playoffs. Notably, the franchise have lost 3 IPL finals 2009, 2011, and 2016 under 3 different captains. Ahead of the upcoming 14th edition of the Cash-Rich League, RCB made a few alterations in the squad as Australian all-rounder Glenn Maxwell and New Zealand pacer Kyle Jamieson joined the team last month at the IPL 2021 auction. So, the question still remains whether RCB can end their IPL drought this season. Nevertheless, let's take a look at 4 reasons why Virat Kohli could leave RCB even if they win IPL 2021. 4 RTH1 is end of an era. Over the past 13 years, have possessed one of the strongest squads on paper. However, they have not translated that into results on the field, and Virat has to share a majority of the blame for that. The 32-year-old has failed to inspire his troops during games, and the players have performed far below their potential. However, even if they, somehow, manage to break the curse, Virat might not continue with the franchise. Ending his stint at RCB with an IPL triumph would be a perfect farewell gift for Virat, who has been with the franchise through ups and downs since the inaugural season. Third one is mega auction for IPL 2022. Ever since the conclusion of IPL 2020 in the UAE last year, reports have been doing rounds that the BCCI is keen on expanding the tournament by introducing 2 new franchises. Nonetheless, the BCCI will have to organize a mega auction before IPL 2022, regardless of whether the franchises do enter the picture, as a mega auction takes place every 3 years. So, Virat Kohli could bid adieu to the franchise regardless of how their season ends. This might not be such a bad idea, as we've seen how, in the past, the appointment of a new coach or captain has breathed new life into a stagnant team. Second one is opportunity to play for Delhi. Virat Kohli has gone on to become a legend at Royal Challengers Bangalore, but it all became possible because Delhi Daredevils, now Delhi Capitals, let go of the opportunity to sign him in IPL 2008 season. Despite guiding India to the U19 World Cup title that year, Delhi decided not to go for Virat in 2008. However, despite not winning an IPL title, he is still the most wanted name in world cricket right now. And, as we've already discussed the mega auction next year, both Virat and Delhi might want to start afresh. Moreover, Delhi have also failed to get their hands on the IPL trophy. So, Virat Kohli's homecoming might just give them the shot of adrenaline to change their fortunes. Virat, with the idea of playing in front of his home crowd, might also benefit from this move. First one is new beginnings, new challenges. The life of an athlete is full of challenges. With challenges comes the opportunity to learn something new and improve. Similarly, as we have often seen, Virat Kohli loves embarking on new challenges. So, if RCB wins the title this season, it's fair to say that Virat Kohli would love to move on in search of new challenges. Also, the probability of winning 2 IPL titles in 2 seasons, and that too with 2 different teams, might sound like a challenge for him. Virat Kohli tweeted yesterday, "This will be my last IPL as captain of RCB. I'll continue to be an RCB player till I play my last IPL game. I thank all the RCB fans for believing in me and supporting me, Virat Kohli." It was something that was on my mind as I recently announced stepping down as T20 captain to manage my workload, which has been immense. I want to be clear about how I want to move forward. I have made it clear to the management that I can't think of being in any other team apart from RCB, he added. It has been a great and inspiring journey, captaining a talented bunch of players in the RCB squad. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the RCB management, coaches, support staff, players, and the entire RCB family, who have been instrumental in the growth of the franchise over the years. It wasn't an easy decision, but one that has been well thought of and in the best interest of this wonderful franchise, he further said. Earlier on Thursday, Kohli had announced that he will step down as India's T20I captain after next month's ICC T20 World Cup starting from October 17th. RCB, who are scheduled to take on Kolkata Knight Riders KKR in their first match in the UAE on Monday, have some exciting new additions to their squad, including Sri Lanka leg spinner Vanindu Hasaranga and Singapore batsman Tim David. Our key players will be missed, and they are a part of the family, but the people coming in as well have great skill sets, especially for these conditions, Kohli had earlier said. So, I'm very excited to see them with the whole group at practice and certainly excited to resume a very good season that started last time around. Ever since the inception of IPL in 2008, Kohli has been a mainstay for RCB. He was appointed as the franchise's captain in 2013, but so far, he has been unable to lift the IPL trophy. Under his captaincy, RCB finished as runners-up in the 2016 edition. Kohli has played 199 IPL matches and scored 6,076 runs so far with 500s. Royal Challengers Bangalore and Virat Kohli fans got emotional after the latter announced his decision to quit captaincy after the ongoing Indian Premier League IPL 2021 season in the United Arab Emirates. This will be my last IPL as captain of RCB. I'll continue to be an RCB player till I play my last IPL game. NXT video I will back with more interesting stories, so keep watching friends, and please subscribe my channel and share if you liked my video. Give the like to our videos. Thank you.